What is ChatGPT? Well, in November, OpenAI published ChatGPT, an AI chatbot system, to demonstrate and test the capabilities of a very big, powerful AI system. You may ask it any number of questions, and you will frequently get a helpful response. You may, for instance, ask it to explain Newton's principles of motion in an encyclopedia inquiry. You may ask it to create a poem for you and then instruct it to make it more entertaining. You may also ask it to create a computer program that would demonstrate all the possible word combinations. The problem is that ChatGPT is unsure of a lot of things. It's an AI that has been trained to identify patterns in significant amounts of data that has been taken from the internet and subsequently trained with human input to provide more informative, better conversation. As OpenAI cautions, the answers you receive can seem logical and even authoritative, but they could also be completely incorrect. For years, businesses seeking for methods to better serve their customers and AI researchers attempting to pass the Turing test have been interested in chatbots. That is the well-known imitation game, which computer scientist Alan Turing suggested as a test of intellect in 1950. Can a person discern the difference between speaking with a human and a computer?